All right. So you are here where it says new project, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so just give it a name of your choice. So we are going to start our new project now. So I'm just going to give this a random name. So you can call it first Java program or something. Okay, so I just gave mine a name. Then you notice that the location is this IDEA project. The language is Java. Okay, the other language is Kotlin, Groovy, HTML, but make sure that the language is Java. Then the build is IntelliJ. So you can select this other one, but we are working with IntelliJ. Then the JDK is what you've installed. Okay, if you've not installed it, that means you notice that you not even see it here. All right. So, but because we've installed it, that's why it's showing Java 17, Oracle, OpenJDK, whatever.
Okay, so this the is showing the JDK. Is this supposed to be highlighted?
Which one is that?
Okay, is this supposed to? Okay, this is how my own looks like.
Okay, I'm sure you can share your screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.
So I think you have to stop sharing for other people to be able to share.
Okay, I just stopped.
Okay. This is what it's showing me.
Okay, so all right, yours. Okay, when you're writing the name of your file, don't include space. If you include space, just like a space or underscore. Okay, okay. So you're here. I asked every other person why they are interested in coding, and they replied, so why you're interested in coding?
I want to become a graphic designer and software engineer, or try and create apps. So this, I think that I should start building my foundation from now.
Okay, okay. All right. Awesome. Awesome. So it's based on interest, right?
Yes.
You know, there's a difference between what someone asks you to do and what you decide to do yourself.
Yes.
All right, great. I think you can stop sharing while okay, so Madi, just give your project a name, any random name, but what you just have to do, don't include spaces within the name. Let it be one word. If you include spaces, separate it with underscore or space. Is that right? All right, now I want to just show you something. While creating the name of my project, supposing there was no name here before, it says what? Field must be what set. If I go ahead to click on advanced setting, you notice that there's no name under these ones, right? But just take note of what happens once I start typing a name, right? So it fills up for me automatically. Can you all see that?
I say yes, I can see.
Okay. Okay, so we started off by looking at introduction to Java as a programming language. So say programming languages enable humans to write instructions that a computer can perform. Right, so there's no how you can communicate with the computer directly. Remember, computers understand languages such as zeros and one. So, but programming language is like a middleman that allow you to communicate with the computer.